How to review Nordstrom's privacy policy and privacy options. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can look out in order to view the privacy policy provided by Nordstrom. So let's just get started. So it's pretty easy. We can either use the FAQ or help center within the website here or directly search for it and then go ahead and view it. And here in the section, you can see how it explains Nordstrom collects, uses, and shares your personal information here. And this is the authorization page right here detailing everything about how your data is handled. You can read this privacy policy page directly here. It will cover up what personal data is collected, how Nordstrom uses this information to run services, fulfill orders, and many more, and with whom your data may be shared, and special sections of information sharing under certain privacy laws. This policy is regularly updated, and you can check the last update date at the top of the page to see the most recent version. And here you can also understand what personal information is collected. You can review your data, how your data is used. You can review your privacy options. You can see, view or update your personal info after logging into your Nordstrom account. Those are the things that is reviewed. You can also look out for the legal rights and data subject request and many more in tips for reviewing and managing your privacy. Here it will show us a full summary of the privacy policy that you can read one by one directly visiting this page right here. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.